Yo, Larry Lots in the spot, man. What's up? Super late start today. Had some stuff come up. Um, yeah, I wasn't really looking to trade until 2 anyways. I mean, yeah, till 2 o'clock anyways. I mean, technically it's power hour, so it's perfect timing. I just got to work on setting my charts. I set up my charts a little bit. I had to do a couple things today. But now it's just a matter of patience. And I made a thumbnail, so let me know if y'all can hear that. Or if y'all can see that, I mean. Alright. So yeah, I'm looking here for sales. I'm still with the sell bias, man. I know it's crazy, but I'm with the sales because we could keep going lower. Only thing is that we already tested these lows right here, and we failed to make a new high. But we had change of characters of these hourly levels right here. This is one. Let me move this over. See, that was a wick there. That was a low there. Broken and closed below. But I was waiting for the retracement here to see if it would test this change of character zone. This at the highs. And it gave me a 15-minute reversal pattern. I will be looking for a 5-minute reversal pattern if it hit the 15, but it didn't. I mean, it kind of technically did. Y'all let me know what you think. Came here. This is technically the 15. Technically, I should save that. That don't really help me. That's where it started. So anything in between there, so that's the high. So this is the actually. There's the low one in that. So I had to break this to be a change of character. So anything after this. Let's see. This is the deepest 15-minute. I made that low. This is the non-deepest 15-minute. I don't have that luxury. Alright. Not trying to like force the setup to be present. Anyways, so we get to the 5-minute. We have higher highs right here. Boom, 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 right? It broke 1 and 2 levels. For me, 2 levels broken means it's back to sales. Back to sales is good because I actually believe it sells up here and here. It's just buys temporarily. Nope. It's just buys temporarily because it tested the lows, failed to make a new low, it has to retrace higher. But in the process of retesting the lows, it made change of characters. So that could suffice for it testing one more time and then breaking or not breaking and then going higher. So now it's a matter of being patient because these levels got to get hit. I don't even think I'll trust that one unless she's done with it. So yeah, now I just wait. We're here if my buke's pulled up. We had food earlier. We ate some late breakfast, really some lunch, some brunch. Yeah, first day with the thumbnail, man. So let me know what y'all think, man. I gotta work on it. It's kind of tacky right now. If it'll let me log in, TopStep X trying to keep me locked out. Um, yeah, I didn't see no opportunities to sell prior to this. Like I would have to take a breakout. That's a perfect crazy sell down to that leg, but I would have to take like a breakout of some sort. So another way you could think of it is this gap above this got tested, but yeah, I just logged in and then it said logged out due to inactivity, but that's fake because I literally just logged in like 5 seconds ago. Like literally 5 seconds. Maybe because I'm logged in over here. Okay, let's close that. So I'm in my amateur content creation right now. So unless somebody does a super crazy deep dive into my content, bro, all these mistakes, all these things, it's on my screen. Oh, shit. Yo, but I will promo right now. I'm a deal sponsor. Stella pretzel grapes, man. My sister just put me onto these. She gave me these. Give me a bag. These joints are fire. I just ate. I don't even know I'm eating snacks. I want to eat this with some ice cream. Mm. A lot of movement happening. Don't FOMO. 15-minute. See these little soul crunch right here. Now you just wait. Mm. The only thing I'm thinking is, what if this is the deepest hourly? I'm gonna keep it where it is. I would say it's a small window. We're just looking for the area before change of character happened. There we go. My bro was in a oil trade, so I'm gonna just check and see what happened with that. And they're trying to move it crazy. This much time passed? I didn't even realize that was at 1 o'clock. Wow. This much time passed. It just came back down here. This joint's moving wonky. But yeah, buddy, it's on the uptrend. I need to get to right here, I think it was. Yeah. But anyways, So 15, this zone was hit. Didn't have a 5 minute reversal pattern or a 5 minute. Um, well, yeah, we didn't have a 5 minute reversal pattern, but we did have a 5 minute change of character. Not only that, we had two zones on a 5 minute broken. That's automatic guaranteed. That's back to sales in a 5 minute. So then we need to be looking for sells and 1 minute continuation patterns if I want to get the smallest time from entry. Like this right here. No, no, and no. And even right here, just the accumulation stuff, I wouldn't enter. I'm keep going back to the 5 minute because I need a big bearish candle. Like, for example, forget what's happening right now. This could be sufficient. Except it came right after this. It's like, it was like this. This was the pattern. Then maybe I had to get in, but I just gotta wait. Let's go for 1 minute so I can see what's happening. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, price really could just keep going higher. I don't know. Yesterday I was right and wrong because it never hit TP even when the Asian session opened. Let me show you a trick from yesterday. $41. I think I took a sell from here yesterday. Change the character. Then I waited for a 1 minute reversal pattern. I think I was taking it to right here. Now, market closed. And then when Asian opened, it came all the way down here and never hit. I would have been sick. But the market closed, so I didn't have to worry. The high of this is 661.75. The close of this, they're equal. They're equal highs. So, I mean, technically, this is a 1 minute reversal pattern. Then we had lower, then we had a test. I wouldn't take that trade though. Simply because we have no, this supposed to be 5 minutes. This not tapped. And I'm scary, man. Unless I take it up there. I'm just scary, dog. Right here, so we have, these are equal. Might be another day where I miss a trade, mainly because I'm being cautious, man. I got a lot on the funded account. And you'll know when it sticks out, man. When you gotta speculate and guess, it's like, ah. When you know for sure, it's like, ah. But boost my views. Nice thumbnail. Hey, man. Savvy Taco, I wonder who that could be, bro. It's like, nah, that's me. I'm good. Alright, anyways, let's get serious. We're at a 5 minute sell for sure. This 1 minute reversal pattern slowly in the middle of nowhere, so that's mainly why I can't take it. But Yeah, your joint. I don't know why this joint starts sending random text. Mine's is some Chinese character in yes, and yours is some Chinese character in blue. I don't really know, but you're. I know why you're here, man. I know why you're here, man. You want that rematch, don't you? I ain't gonna lie, bro. I've been scared to play because I was getting cooked so much, bro. It took a whole hour just to get back to where I was. Like every time I was like live 30, then 45, then 50. It's like I just need to stop, bro. Getting mizzled in chess. I'm talking about chess, by the way. If anybody else joins this, I don't know what I'm talking about chess. Alright, so this is an entry right here. Not an entry because I don't have a reason to enter, but this is a move that's happening. I was trying to look for continuation. I had this 5 minute candle, but 5 10. Probably missed this. Alright, well, I have reasons to enter, and none of them are showing themselves right now, unless I go based on this. Is that a 15 minute candle and 5 minute? Yeah, facts. I'm just too eager, man. I just be playing. But that's what I needed, bro. I needed this peak limit to like make me not have like as much eagerness to play. Because before I'm like, open, I'll play no matter what. Now I open it, I'm like, nah, and not close it back. Let me open it, but I don't play after this morning, bro. Because and timing, bro. It's really the time, bro. We getting cooked up in time so much. The time, bro. See, 10 a.m. news days really not the best. It's why I don't trade to the afternoon. See, look at this drop. Look at this drop. Oh man, that's crazy. Oh man, that's crazy. I didn't have a way. I didn't have a way to enter. Is it gonna close below? This is the one. I mean, technically, this is the way right here. Mm. Don't FOMO. Don't FOMO. Mm. No, I don't like that candle. I'm gonna just wait. I was about to get into a sell there, and then use this, which is one of the patterns actually. Well, but it would need to close below and then retrace. The pattern I just looked at actually looks like this. So maybe. Oh wait though. This is here. This. Needs to close below that line. Then retrace a little bit. Then I'll take it. Yeah. Now where will I take it to is the question. Oh, will the goalie back down there? 446. 446. I need to take that low. Oh, wait, actually. This is equal highs, though. That's why I'm not taking it here. I'm not taking it here because those are, if this was one more higher, this is 2 zones below, so I would take it. 74 times 2, that's basically 175, that's 150, that's 300. So I'd have to take one micro because I don't want the R to R. I'm not trying to risk 300. I'm not trying to risk 300. I'd risk 250. I'm comfortable with that. Where you at? Yeah. This might have been. It's this candle that I don't like. This is all 5 minute and this 1500. Oh, at the 3 o'clock open. This would have been a zone. I had this equal, but then again, equals work. I have it. 620. Actually, I think it is equal highs. I'm gonna get in. Take stop loss at 670. 670. Minimum chart 29. Two 5-minute change of characters. This really was contributing to my bias. Now, this wasn't the most ideal spot, but still doable. Now this is the bottom of the change of character leg though. That's also what makes it more sus. 540. I'm thinking I'm gonna take it to 540. That's a long drop. What would 531 be? Let's do here. $531 is a 1-to-1. $440 is a crazy drop. I'll probably take it to 460, 470. Let's see if my analysis is right, or if it really was FOMO, man. It looked good. I like the hesitation right there. Get me? But now it's looking bad. Hey yo. Hey yo. Hey yo. And it's like, can't FOMO, guys. I convinced myself, and then I even convinced myself to use the 2 entries. Not 2 entries, but 2 contracts. I mainly got convinced because I was like, oh, well, if I get in right here, I could use 2 contracts to risk more. I wasn't super happy with the 150, but damn. I'll take a quick L. You gotta trust your gut, bro. I knew it wasn't the right one, man. And it didn't even close below 594, so I had even less of a reason to enter. I convinced myself that the double equal tops was counted as 2 highs. Close below here. Close under here would have been the most confirmation. Then I wouldn't be having this conversation. Yeah, hey, yes sir, my boy looking fresh. Yeah, I just took a sell. I'm in a sell right now. This sell. I just FOMO'd in basically. Not FOMO'd in, but like I convinced myself that it was the pattern because of this. I kept saying the whole time I shouldn't enter. And then I was like, well, this is equal highs, and it broke this structure. Then it came here. And I figured, like, if I get in here, I could use 2 contracts instead of like waiting for it to break below here. It's the 1 contract. And like this would have been more secure. And then also, it didn't tap this zone, even though it broke below it. It's in the middle of nowhere. And if I'm using a 15-minute sell, it didn't give a 5-minute continuation. Now if I'm using a 5-minute sell, it didn't give a 1-minute continuation. So yeah, I'll probably just take this loss, but I just hold it because I'm already in it. But I'll be disappointed in this loss because actually I'm gonna just close. I closed because I know I didn't follow my rules. I was about to lose anyway, strictly because I didn't follow my rules. Let me journal this. Yeah, your gold joint looking good, bro. Man, that's just a FOMO loss for no reason, bro. I told myself so much not to enter that trade. Then I just. Not get back to waiting. Yeah. It says I'll be going on a break, but then the break never happens. But anyways, I'll close that trade early. Look at it. I'll close it early for my mental clarity, bro. Because I didn't feel like I was supposed to be in it. Granted, did it hit stop loss? It didn't hit stop loss by 2 points. That's actually crazy. It didn't hit stop loss by 2 points. So for my mental clarity, I closed. No, I'm not supposed to. No, by 0.75, it didn't hit stop loss. But I just felt like I wasn't supposed to be in that trade. So I close early. Ending happy now. I keep saying this supposed to go on a break, but then it never goes on a break. It just keeps recording my room for some reason. But anyways, I'll be back. I'm back. I'm not really sure. When the professional YouTubers be starting a break, something be happening, bro. When I hit start break, it just records my room. That's my fault, man. Probably should have had something like what's going to do it like this. I don't know. That would have been 200. Even that would have been a better idea. Even if I got down here 300. Ugh, that's bad. Ugh, that's bad. There you go. Anyways, that day's not over. I'll give myself like 2 losses a day. 337. The value about to kick in the last 10 minutes of market, so we got 13 minutes to the real value kicks in. 13 minutes to the real value kicks in. All right, BRB again. All right, yeah, we're back. Last 10 minutes of markets. We're really last 6 minutes now. It ended up coming up to this level right here, which is the purple zone I've been had marked out from the beginning. Could have just been our first trade, but now we're in a situation with the last 10 minutes of the market again. Hopefully, something crazy happens. My name is Donald Trump, and I've been insider trading the whole time, and then the market tanks or something like that. To be honest, bro, at this point, I don't even know if that would make the market tank, bro, because who even knows, dog? But anyways, I'm in the sell right here. Loss would mean good loss limit for the day. A win, which is I don't even know where I want the win to be. A win would be great. 530. I should just take it back to the lows right here, but it's not even 1-to-1. But it should be 1-to-1 because I want to get in around here. Then I was waiting for the 1 minute reversal pattern. Then I realized it was 2 zones lower, so then I didn't have to get to it if I use the whole zone. It's probably chalked out. I think I've just been having the wrong market direction. Like my main thing that cooked me was I said it hit the lows, so it has to test higher. And then I was just too like sold on it. Too sold on it. Selling that I negated that. Like that really is a real thing. I was waiting for it to reverse to go back to sales, so I wasn't too sold on it. But like I was too sold on it in the fact that I could have waited for it to go way higher. The 15-minute reversal pattern could have at least kicked in. It hit the first 15-minute zone, so I thought the 5 minute reversal pattern or change of characters was valid, but yeah, it's just a bad day overall in the market. But I got 2 more days left in the week. Let's see what the news is looking like. No red folder news tomorrow. No red folder news Friday. Yeah, 10 a.m. I might just have to not trade 10 a.m. news days at all. Even though I won a half win yesterday, bro. 10 a.m. news days actually got to be the worst type of days ever, bro. It makes the morning market trash, and because the morning market was trash, the afternoon session is just even more trash. Like, bro, just, that's all I can say. Bro, bro. I just think I had it wrong. Then I had this right here. Look at that spike. I should have went with the buys, bro. 15 minute. Then I had the 5 minute change of character. Then if I want to look for the 15 minute change of character. Yeah, I'm just foolish. Then I had the 5 minute reversal right here. It's too sold on the cells. Oh well. I'm really hoping that if I lose, like it doesn't hit full stop loss before 4, so I could at least have minimal loss for the day, bro. And then come back tomorrow all better. But to be honest, bro, it might just be choked for me. Anyways, if anybody's still watching, trying to play some chess strong, I'll cook you up real quick. Brother, not a good day overall, but still a chance. I'm gonna send you that invite. If this joint got lows, this joint's acting crazy. It's 30. It's 120. That's good. Let's try it again. It's not working. Maybe it's my Wi-Fi. I don't know. It's the last 1 minute of the market. I might just close right here. Yeah, I'm gonna just close. All right, yeah. Thanks for tuning in, man. Yeah, I was about to sell in this last minute. I couldn't hold today, bro. So I sell in the last 19 seconds of the market. Thanks for tuning in, dog. Another day on the funded. Another day on the evals. Anything's possible, man. Just gotta stay diligent. But good risk management. As long as you don't blow up, bro, you can always do better on another day. Yeah, it's 4 o'clock now. Mark's gonna go dumb, so I'm out of here. Peace.
Save big when you shop red at Giant. Shop thousands of